Okay, which one do you prefer? Do you choose between speaking skill and grammar skill, grammatical skill?
Speaking,
Speaking why?
because speaking make our life more easier in the work
In the
for
work? Okay.
like public speaking or
Hmm.
presentation about project.
Presentation. Hmm. Okay, good idea. Radit,
Go speak,
speaking.
yeah,
Why?
because well, because I think that grammar is not real, it's not not important, not really important
Hmm.
from well in English as well, yeah. Like that.
So just you and me understand about what we talk
Yeah,
enough.
enough.
Okay. So there is no rule, yeah?
Yes, there is no rule.
I choose speaking
Speaking why?
because if I choose speaking, but for example like this, if
Hmm?
I choose grammar but my speaking is not good, but my grammar is good. When I go to public,
Hmm.
I'm not what is it? I'm not really good at speaking to other people
Hmm.
like that. So I choose speaking for.
So if when you are speaking, you don't think about grammatical thing, yeah?
No.
Okay, just speak, yeah.
Yes.
Okay,
Speaking,
speaking right.
because I speaking because just I use it in programmer.
Because you can speak English if we know speaking skill, something like that.
Yes,
Hmm. What about vocabularies that you should memorize? Yeah, in speaking skill, actually there is one step that you have to do. That is memorization. How do we say? Memorizing the vocab, menghafal kosakata. So you do agree with that?
yes.
Okay. Okay, good. Raffi.
So I just speaking and grammar.
Both.
Yes.
Why?
Because for the speaking,
Hmm.
if you don't have skill for speaking,
Hmm.
you cannot use
English.
no grammar.
Hmm.
And if you uh, cannot use the grammar, your English or your language will be broken.
Yeah, exactly. I agree with that.
Yes.
If we speak no rule, without rule, any rule,
It will be
any
broken.
rules, it will be
Except
broken.
Indonesia.
Yeah.
Indonesia is very, very
Indonesian,
broken.
there is
From
no
the
rule.
start.
There is no kaidah, something like that.
Yes.
Okay, let's move to another student.
Yeah.
Yeah, which one do you choose between grammar skill and speaking skill?
Maybe speaking. Maybe
Tanya.
Yeah,
maybe I choose a speaking.
speaking why?
Because grammar is not for speaking and speaking and apa and speaking is more important and speaking we must to talk to the other people and grammar we just
Learn theory,
yes and this is not
not the output of the lesson ya.
Yes.
Bukan hasil bukan tujuan akhir. Oh. Okay, Fauzan. What is your opinion? Speaking skill or grammatical?
I chose speaking skill
Hmm.
because Speaking is more important than grammar.
Hmm.
Uh, ya gitu.
Okay. So, yeah. Make it. So you don't. I mean, you don't think that grammar is important?
The the both is same important.
But
But we can speak without study the grammar.
without practicing, yeah.
Without practicing the grammar. But we can probably speak.
Okay. Good. Dava, which one do you prefer?
Grammar?
Yeah, grammar.
Or speaking?
Yeah, grammar or speaking.
Like
Next.
speaking or grammar is same, but the difference of the speaking can bring you to the how to speak with like a foreign people and many other like your friends to speaking English, but you cannot do a grammar like you're speaking just like how you do. You cannot do a speaking as well like how you pronounce like this, how you say this, you're gonna confuse it like how I say this in English because you don't have a basic in grammar. Maybe I probably choose both
Both.
grammar and speaking.
Yeah.
But for the grammar you
We.
you don't have to be an expert in grammar.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You just have to know the basic of grammar, and if you don't know the basic of the grammar, you can speaking well.
Okay. So when you are speaking, I mean when you speak, do you think you use the rule
Yes.
or the
Yes.
the rule of
When I'm
language?
speaking, like we are speaking, we use something like past tense like
Yeah.
that to
Present tense.
to say what's in my mind to give it to people like do you the example if you don't know how to speak like in the grammar like you want to explain that you are eating tomorrow like but you don't know how to explain it in English so you have to speaking with grammar you have to mix it with the grammar.
Yeah, yeah.
If
Okay.
just the grammar is just a little bit, it's okay. You have to learn grammar
Basically.
the basic of the grammar. Maybe you don't have to be an expert in grammar, so you just have to learn grammar basic, and your
After
speaking
that,
gonna be a flat.
practicing more.
Yeah, practicing grammar, just basic,
Speaking,
just basic of the grammar.
Okay. Good. Raihan. Okay, what do you think? What is your opinion?
Speaking is
Speaking.
important because without communication skills, the progress in working world and life itself will be nearly impossible. Because when you're working,
But what do you think about someone who doesn't know about grammatical thing, but he just speaks up, and yeah, without any rule, any regulation in his language. So his language is something like broken, or
the grammar,
like slang.
we have to know the basic of grammar too.
All right. Yeah. So your opinion is the same, like Fatur, ya. Okay, good. Khairi, Kevin.
Grammar.
Grammar.
Grammar is basic to we can speak.
Speak.
Yes.
So without grammar,
That grammar is important.
yeah, I mean when we are speaking without grammar,
Can but
can
not-
but
not
broken,
perfect,
yeah,
not, yeah,
not perfect.
not
Yeah.
perfect. It's broken.
So you think that it should be, yeah, I mean it should be balance between
between
grammatical
grammar
and practicing
speaking.
speaking skill
Practice
and
speaking.
grammatical skill. Good. Ibel.
Mustafa Mister.
Yeah, just choose between speaking skill or grammatical
Speaking.
skill. Speaking, right?
Speaking is what ya? Step to programmer. Step programmer.
Programmer? What do you mean?
Um,
You know grammar, right? Something like if we learn I bring my book for me, that's a grammatical thing. And also tenses, that's grammatical thing. And also adjective, noun, adverb, we know something like that, it's grammatical thing.
Speaking is
So, what's your opinion, Ibel, about someone, seseorang, ya, people talk without without knowing that what he talk, what he is talking is right or wrong. Just speak like Amiyah, you know Amiyah?
speaking.
Nih, pendapat kamu, orang yang ngomong nih mau ngomong, tapi dia nggak ada apa bahasanya? Nggak tahu kaidah bahasanya gitu. Nggak tahu aturan bahasa gimana? Misalnya dia nggak tahu, oh ini tuh verb, ini tuh noun, misalnya, gimana?
Dapatnya
Just dia pokoknya ngomong aja, yang penting dia paham, ente paham, saya paham. What's your opinion? Do you agree with that? Setuju? Hah? You agree?
no.
Yeah. So
So
we must learn, we must study.
so
We must study both, right? Is that right? Kita harus belajar dua-duanya. Between grammatical thing, like Fatur said, the basic one, we should learn about it, and also we should practice. Kita harus juga praktek for upgrading our speaking skill, right? Enough?
nah.
Okay, let's move to
Me,
yeah. What do you think? What's your opinion?
I think both is important because I mean the main point for you to learn English is because to communicate with
Yeah.
foreign, with tourists and with any
Native
other,
speaker.
yes, and you need to learn grammar too because if you don't learn grammar, yo, what are you talking about? Like, for example, you're talking about past, but you use
Present.
yeah, simple present like that. Yeah,
So it will be funny, yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
I saw a lot of people here talk like that.
Okay. Yeah, but okay, Mustafa. But what do you think about people who learn grammar, but without any practicing?
Practicing.
Yeah, without practice at all. Just learn the theory, but no practice.
It's just.
What do you think?
uh,
Is it useless or nothing? Something like
sayang misalnya.
yeah, sayang ya.
Yeah.
Unfortunately.
Yeah, it's very unfortunate because you know the grammar, the theory,
Yeah.
but you don't practice. So it's just you waste your
Yeah.
knowledge.
Good. Okay.
Yeah,
Ryan first.
think both
Both of them
are important,
Hmm.
but I prefer speaking
speaking, yeah. Well,
because maybe foreigner don't apa ya, still understand what you say
hmm.
even if your
Even
grammar is not
yeah, wrong,
maybe
yeah.
that good.
Okay.
I think that is my opinion.
Hmm. Yeah, I agree with that. Yeah, actually, if the foreigner is no, I mean the foreigners knows that you are non-native speaker or you are Indonesian, you speak Bahasa, your first language is Bahasa, he will, mm, how do we say, he will understand you. But maybe in the last, he will correct you also.
Yeah.
Yeah, if the foreigner is good, it's nice. But if the foreigner doesn't care about you, yeah, it will be maybe he just he will be smile and just left you behind. Okay. Novel. What do you think? What do you choose between grammar skill and speaking skill?
Grammar skill.
Grammar. Wow. Why?
Because about grammar, with grammar we can know about sentence order and tenses,
Hmm.
and if we and speaking, it's a
Practice.
practice uh, practice grammar.
Hmm. Okay, so you mean that we should learn about theory, grammatical thing, and we can practice outside the class, like that?
Yes.
Oh, so you wanna make it balance, yeah, between practicing and theory. Okay, that's good. Gias.
Yeah, Mister.
Yeah, what's your opinion about both speaking skill or grammar skill?
Both of them, but more to grammar, Mister.
Grammar, why?
Grammar, because grammar is more important than
speaking.
Apa ya?
Why?
You must learn grammar first because speaking is for
Speaking
speaking without
grammar will be broken.
Yes,
Is that right?
And speaking is like for
The goals, output.
no.
What do you wanna say? Just speak bahasa, it's okay. Mix, campur aja. How to say gitu. What?
Tes bukan tes.
Exam. Ya tes will be tested.
Speaking for
The beginner, the advanced, intermediate,
for ini besar for ujian apa sih?
for the exam,
For
the test,
praktek practice in speaking practice grammar besar.
So grammar
first
and then practice second.
with,
In the second, ya, kedua. Oke, Dikri.
Maybe is
Speaking well.
because speaking it is needed in word and future.
Needed
In the future.
future. Okay. So what do you think about learning grammar? It's not important at all, or some
Important but
little?
yeah, basic lah.
Okay, the basic one. Sorry.
Yes.